Hey guys, I'm gonna be trying a new curly hair routine as somebody who doesn't like trying new things. Everybody has been getting these beautiful results and I've never done my hair like this because of one thing. Every single time I do my hair like this and I see the wet pieces being frizzy, I literally lose my shit. So today we're gonna try again, and I seen a couple tutorials that I originally saw. She only used one product. She used this exact brush, okay? She used this exact brush and she used this product. And I always wear like 3 products on my head, and I'm like, maybe the issue is that I'm wearing too many products on my head. So I'm only gonna use this and a glue because I need to use a glue. If not, my hair's gonna go crazy. I'm just gonna put the products in my hair real quick, and then I'll come back when I put the product in my hair because you guys don't want to see that. Okay, so now the product is all evenly into my head, and I am going to, so I'm gonna go based off this girl's specific video. It's not the original video I found, but this one's also helpful and very similar. Now that I have all of this distributed through my hair, she sectioned off her crown, so we're gonna section off my crown. She basically just brush styled, and like low-key I don't like brush styling, so, and she diffused and I don't like diffusing, but we're gonna trust the process. Alright, so I'm gonna go by section by section. So she kind of just grabbed a piece and went like, but her hair didn't do that, so why does my hair keep doing that? Alright, so she kind of just went like that. She shook it. Trust in the process. I see the frizz, but I'm gonna just trust the process. I feel like my curls are too together. They're like not separating. Okay, well, I'm just gonna trust the process. They're not separating much, but I'm just gonna trust the process. Look at all that frizz. Oh my god. I just have to ignore it. That's so frizzy. That's literally so frizzy. I'm trying not to get like mad, but we gotta trust the process. The real trust in the process is gonna be with diffusing my hair. I always struggle so bad on this side. Like, I don't know. Guys, they are just clumping up no matter how much I go like this. Oh, I have to be really fucking aggressive, I see. But then that just creates frizz. I don't know, guys. I'm just trusting the process. Guys, this is like so frizzy. I'm just gonna trust the process. Okay, now this section is a little different than the rest of my hair. Ooh, I think I grabbed too much hair. Okay, I think that's straight enough, but I genuinely think I grabbed too much hair, so I'm just gonna go ahead and fix that real quick. Okay, there we go. I fixed it a little bit. I think she put a little more hair in the back. I'm just basically flicking it back. I'm gonna try to get it as even as I can. She kind of did it all in one section, just going back like this. That's like not straight at all, and I have to get this one line. I have to get this line straight just because it's in the front. I think that's straight enough, but I think I'm gonna have to do another row. I'll fix those hairs right now because I can't see. Ah, it's going in my eye. I think that I'm just gonna throw it back like this. And then she did this piece back too. But I think she'd fix it up a little bit like this. So I lied. These front pieces are actually going to be brushed forward, but they're just going to be flicked back, if that makes sense. I kind of messed up this piece. Let's just redo them. Just flick it back. So she brushed them all forward like this and scrunched and then flicked back. Like that, I guess. And then she fixed the pieces in the front that she's going to keep. Guys, I literally hate how like many baby hairs I have. It's kind of like insane. So I'm just going to fix the front pieces I'm going to be putting in the front. I don't even know what I'm doing. Let me actually, she doesn't have like a middle part or anything. So she flicks it back, but you can't even like see anything. I'm so confused on how she got her hair to do that. Genuinely, I don't know how she didn't get a whole bunch of shit on her forehead. And then she said to just take out the pieces that you're gonna show in the front. I guess I'll go with something different this time. I think maybe I added too much hair. I think I added way too much hair to the front. I think I'm gonna do less hair, or I think this is fine. I think it's fine. I'm just overthinking it. Okay, and then she went like that, and then she scrunches it. I hate it when people scrunch their hair. I hate scrunching my hair. I genuinely do not like it at all. I'm basically doing everything that I don't like to do, so, but it gives them these beautiful results, so I must be doing something wrong. I'm gonna scrunch it with my gel. She puts a mousse on her roots. I'm not doing that. I'm sorry, I'm not doing that. I'm just gonna skip that part, and I'm just gonna flip my head over and scrunch. I just saw so much frizz. I'm trying not to go crazy right now. Let's go diffuse. So I just did my edges real quick. I'm trying to like it. I'm trying to like it, but you can't sit here and tell me that my hair looks good right now. We're gonna take the scrunch out or put oil in my hair and mix it up a little bit to see if maybe that's the problem and this is not what the outcome's gonna look. There's so much frizziness in my hair, bro. I'm trying not to cry right now. My hair's still wet. I think I'm gonna do this and then go back to diffusing and then come back, because why is my hair still wet? Yeah, my hair's still wet. I hate that my hair does that. Like, it gets really warm. So I'll be back. Let me go finish diffusing a little more. Alright, I'm back. And I just realized that I literally have to embrace my frizziness and my whatever pattern of curls I have, because I have to. So now we're going to try put oil in again. I don't know if I should put oil. I swear, if I touch my hair and it's wet, I'm going to cry. Okay, there's some... Oh my god, there's still some like moist parts. I don't like my hair being like wet at all. Hold on, I'll be back. Alright, I'm back. I make sure that my hair is... There's still wet piece. I literally don't care, because I'm about to run an errand, so I literally have to go. More oil. I low-key was feeling myself in the mirror, because I was like, I love the way girls' hairs look like this. Like, I love the way that people have like messy curly hair like this, but all of a sudden it's an issue when I wear it, because I don't know, my hair's like big, or like, I don't know. My hair looks nothing like the girls, but it'll do me for like the next 2 days until I start crashing out. Maybe I have to let it sit a little bit, though. Maybe I have to let the wind blow it a little bit. I don't know how she made it look so like it looked positioned right. Genuinely no idea. Oh, I see how she did it. She like threw these pieces back, but these pieces in the front, she left them in the front. Like that? Or do I look dumb? I genuinely don't know what to do with my hair. Oh my god. I'm like just adding a whole bunch of oil, hoping that the oil fixes it. I don't know. Maybe I just have to like keep swinging it like every 3 seconds. Like, have you seen that? Like, I think I just have to be one of those girls who just swings their hair one side like this, and then the next 3 seconds my hair will be like this. But I have to embrace my hair like this, because I feel like my hair is only gonna grow like this if I just let it be. I think it's also the angle of the camera, because it looks good in person, but it does not look good on the camera. I look low-key scary on camera. See, it doesn't... It's because my forehead's so big. I think that's why it's like throwing me off on camera. I swear it doesn't look that bad in person. I feel like you guys don't believe me when I say it's literally just the camera. I don't know why the camera's like sabotaging me right now, making me look insane. Promise you, but I think this is the look I'm supposed to be giving. I'm supposed to be giving crazy. So this is a little update, but low-key I like it now, and this is actually the style I might go for, because I genuinely feel like this looks so much better instead of me trying to like perfect my curls. Hold on, let me try to fix my hair so you guys get the vision. Do we see the vision? Like, I think it just looks so much better. Like, it just looks so much better like this, and genuinely I think the messy look just looks so much better on me and just on curls in general. Like, I don't know why I was sitting here trying to like perfect curls or something, but I'm actually in love with the messy look. And then tomorrow, like, since my hair's already messy, like, I don't really have to like worry about it, so I'm really happy with the results. I know I was like low-key like a little, you guys saw, but I'm actually happy with the results. I don't know, maybe it'll be a phase again and I'll be like, oh my god girl, you look crazy, like your hair did not look done, but it's okay. We'll see, we'll wait and see. Okay, but I hope you guys enjoyed and have a good rest of your guys'